What's up, everybody? My name is Riley Ramirez, or you can call me Riley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell for more updates. Today we are going to unbox the Captain America toy. So let's begin. Gentle opening the box. Oh, I gotta hold it. He's super gentle. Oh, look at this. Okay. Ooh, we got the manual or the instructions. Look. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, there's even that one. Iron Man. Oh, wait, do you see this? Yeah. Okay. What piece of shell? Wait. Oh, Captain America's shield. Okay. Oh, more. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Wait, this is the body? Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm so literally happy right now. Ooh. What's this, the fist? Shoo! Okay, another one more piece. Ooh, the leg for running or walking, right? Yeah. Bruh, this is sick. Imagine having this in your home. Bro, that's another leg for running or walking. Okay, wait, let me put this together. Okay, there. We need the pieces. Wait, let me put every black ones. Ooh, we're heading now to the red. Assemble this, so I'm gonna so come on, we have to go. Ooh, and more black ones. Okay, blue, where's blue? Oh yeah, right there. Put it beside me. Ooh, more. This is a lot black. Great. Wait, the gray goes here. So the last one. Wait, let me arm it. The last one is my favorite part, the head. And there it is, guys, my Captain America. So that's it for today. See you on my next video. Bye!